Hi, I am Rishi of Grade 10. Today I am going to present a concept from Maths. The concept name is experiments and probability. First slide. What is probability? Probability is a branch of Maths that deals with the likelihood of occurrence of events of the given event. The probability values of the given experiment is usually defined between the range of numbers. The range of numbers are between 0 to 1. Then the values and the probability value cannot be a negative value. The basic rules on addition, multiplication and complement rules are applied or associated with the probability. Next slide. What is experimental probability? This is the main topic. The experimental probability is also known as empirical probability. It is based on given experiments and the recordings of the happenings of this event. To determine the occurrence of an event, a series of actual experiments are being prepared and it is being performed to determine the occurrence of any event. Okay. Next, the experiments do not have a fixed number of events or known as random events. The outcome of these random events are not certain. So the random events are repeated multiple times to determine the likelihood. Okay. Next, the experiment is prepared with the fixed number of times, and each repetition is known as a trial. The formula for this experiment probability is probability of the event, that is P, that is E is equal to number of the times of an event occurs by the number of trials. Next slide. Next we are going to see an example on experimental probability. First example, I asked my friends Shakshi, Shreya and Ravi to toss a fair coin 15 times each in a row, and outcome of these tossed coins with the experiment. And I noted these observations. Coin tossed by Shakshi, number of heads is equal to 6 and number of tails is equal to 9. Coin tossed by Shreya, number of heads is equal to 7 and number of tails is equal to 8. Next, coin tossed by Ravi, number of heads is equal to 8 and number of tails is equal to 7. Calculate the probability of the occurrence of heads and tails. I calculated and mentioned the readings and observations in the next slide. Solution. The experimental probability for the occurrence of the events and the occurrence of heads and tails in this experiment can be calculated as experimental probability of heads is equal to number of heads occurs by the total number of the times a coin is spin, and experimental probability of occurrence of, that is the tail, is equal to number of tails occurs divided by the number of coins, number of times the coins has been tossed. Next slide. In this tabular column, I observed the experiment and wrote the observation here. That is experimental probability for the occurrence of head and experimental probability for the occurrence of tails. Then coin tossed by Shakshi. Shakshi coin, as I said in the previous before slide, that Shakshi tossed the coin and obtained number of heads is equal to 6 and the number of tails is equal to 9. So experimental probability for the occurrence of heads, that is P, that is the total number of heads occurred divided by total number of times the coins are tossed. So 6 by 15. The total number of times the coin is tossed is 15 times. So it is 6 by 15. We will get 0.4. And Shreya tossed 7 times and she got heads 7 times. So total number of times the coin was tossed is 15. So 7 number of heads 7 by 15. This is equal to 0.47. Next, Ravi tossed 8 times and Ravi tossed 15 times and he got 8 heads out of 15. So 8 by 15 is equal to 0.53. Next, number of tails. Shakshi tossed 15 times the coin and obtained 9 tails. So 9 by 15 is equal to 0.6. Shreya tossed 8 times the number of tails. And tossed the coin and obtained 8 times. Obtained 8 tails. So 8 by 15 is equal to 0.53. Next, Ravi tossed The dummy tosses the coin 15 times and uptime tails 7 times. So this is divided by 7 is divided by 15, then the value is 0.47. Next, thank you. I hope so you might have understand this concept clearly. Thank you.